Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. I often hear my followers say, how do I eat more greens? How can I get them into my body and how can I make them taste good? Well, I will show you today with zucchini. This is just one of the recipes that I like to make. It's baked in the oven, it doesn't use any oil, and it's really tasty, and everyone I've shared this with loves this recipe. So let's get into it. Get your zucchinis ready and let's make it taste delicious.
Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
So what I've done is actually spiralize 2 medium zucchinis. You can actually buy this store-bought, or if you don't have a spiralizer and you want to make these and you don't have any gadgets on hand, then why not just get a peeler and make slices of zucchini just so they're thin and then they can crisp up in the oven. But today I have spiralized these and I'm just going to put them into this container or mixing bowl. Okay, then I'm going to add a little bit of white pepper. I love the taste of white pepper. It's a little bit spicy, but it also has sweet tones to it as well. So just adjust this according to how much you like pepper. And then I'm going to add in a teaspoon of mustard. I've got some truffle Dijon mustard here today, but you could use your favorite mustard and just mix that through. If you don't have any mustard, you could use miso paste or even some almond butter, something that's going to make the spices stick to the zucchini. And then just give that a little bit of a mix through. I'm actually going to use my hands. They're washed, they're clean, and it just makes it easier to really get that mixed through. And while I remember, preheat your oven while you're doing this, so then it's ready to put in there at about 180 degrees Celsius or about 360 Fahrenheit, and then you'll be ready to go in just a few minutes. Next, I'm adding a teaspoon of garlic granules. You could also use garlic powder, whatever you have on hand. But that's what I'm using today. And I also want a little bit of heat, so I'm adding some chili flakes. Again, if you don't like spicy food, just leave this out. Or you could even just add a little bit of paprika. That is delicious too. Next, I've got a tablespoon of nutritional yeast flakes. They do add some B vitamins to this and it makes it taste savory and delicious and almost gives it a buttered popcorn type flavor. Yummy. And then I've also got some polenta or some cornmeal, a tablespoon's worth going in as well. And this will actually add some crispiness to the outside of these when they're baking up. Then give this a stir through. Now, if you wanted to, you can actually eat this just as a salad ready to go. I quite often make this. It's just quick and easy and simple and really tasty. So keep that in mind. If you want a delicious salad, how easy is that? But today I'm actually going to bake these up in the oven. So I've lined a baking tray with some parchment paper and I'm just going to spread the zucchini out on here. And try to spread this into a single layer if you can. If you need to use multiple trays, then you're best to do that because you really want to dry this out and get it crispy and you want that to be even. So if you have one pile where it's not spread out properly, it may stay a little bit soft and we don't want that. We want these delicious and crunchy. And let's get these baking. Okay, so at the 15-minute mark, just check these and give them a little bit of a toss around. You'll get the ones on the edges that are crispier at this point, but you really want to dry these out and not too fast. Do it slowly. You can even dehydrate these if you have a dehydrator. But I'm just going to pop these in for another 5 to 10 minutes and then they are ready to go. Oh, they smell so good. If you wanted to, while these are still soft, you could serve these as a pasta alternative. So already we've got a salad option, a pasta alternative, and now they're going in for the actual recipe that I'm making with these today. So my crispy zucchinis are done. They were in there for about 20 or 25 minutes and they're nice and crunchy. Delicious. And like I said, just go slowly, leave them in there longer. You could even use your air fryer for these if you prefer to cook in there, or dehydrate. Like I said, this is a great snack. It's really tasty with a dipping sauce as well. You could serve it with some cashew sour cream, for example. Absolutely delicious. They're so crunchy and yummy. And I also like to put these on top of my salads sometimes. So lots of variety there, lots of ideas, and this is almost 3 recipes in one. You had your salad, the pasta option, and the crunchy option. So I hope you enjoy eating zucchini this way. If you make it, leave me a message or send a photo over in my Facebook group. I'll leave a link to that below, or over in Instagram, tag me there. I'd love to see you make these. And if you have any other recipe ideas or things that you'd like me to make, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with anyone that needs to actually eat more greens each day. I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Have a fabulous day. Bye for now. So good. Zucchini, this is the way you should be eating it.